Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this one today, my actuator is, I believe, is going out, or it's beginning to fail, or it's bad. I'm not sure. But it started this morning and it's starting to make a clicking sound. On these 98 through 02s, there's only two actuators. There's this one that's underneath the glove box, which is right here where my finger's touching. And then we all know there's one behind the stereo inside the dash. But for this job, it's very simple. It's very easy. I didn't have to take anything out. All I did was just drop the glove box down. And the actuator's right here. Now, if you have problems with this actuator, you're going to need this type of tool. It's a 5/16. And you want preferably something like this. You know, something that you could use like a little wrench. But this one fits perfectly. It's a 5/16. That's what these bolts take that are holding that actuator in place. There's three of them. That's why you're gonna need this tool right here, because without this tool, it's gonna be extremely difficult to get this actuator out. I already took out the bolts. So all I have to do is disconnect this harness from it, and I could take it out. But just to give you guys a little showing of what it's doing, this is what it's doing. Did you hear that? So that's what it's doing. So I have to replace it. I got this one from the junkyard off of 99. It was a 99 executive. This is the second time. Well, let me see. Yes, this will be the second time that I replace this unit. This unit right here I got off a junkyard. Also, I'm not sure what year. I want to say 2000 maybe. I believe it's 2000. But I've already replaced this one and it's gone bad. And I already have the replacement one ready from a 99 executive. I took it from the same spot as the one in the salvage yard. So, yeah. So we're going to see if it works. I have no idea if it works. I just took it as a spare part. And sure enough, there came a day that I will need it. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to switch them out and I'll come right back. All right, everybody, I'm back. Just real quick, I wanted to just stop in. This is the one that I took out. This is the one that's bad. I've already replaced this, like I said. But this is the one that's going to be going in. As you can see, the parts numbers match. Except, I don't know what those digits